Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jorodix TV! For today's video, we're gonna make another requested Manipur song. Yes! Your favorite Manipur song. And it was requested by one of our viewers, AH. And he wants me to react this Ethanungdei. Alright, so the singer here guys is AJ Maesnam and Taja Chanu. And the cast here are Soma and Sushant, and of course the uploader and the owner of this video, H360 Pictures. Thank you so much guys. Alright, so before we start, make sure that you are subscribing my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my channel. So without further ado guys, let's get now and watch this video. H360 Pictures. Ethanungdei. Oh, wow! Where this beach, guys? Wow! That beach is very, very clean. Is this a Manipur beach, guys? Is this your beach in your state? Just like music for summer. Ooh. This is my first time to see this artist here, the guy and the lady. Very handsome, huh? Just like me, so much handsome. Yeah. I'm so handsome, guys. I'm just kidding. Oh my god. I like to swim also at your beach. Oh. I like the rhythm of this music. Wow, very exciting. Wow, where this one? Oh. I like it so much, the voice of AJ Maesnam. Wow. I'm always listening music of AJ Maesnam, guys. Honestly. Wow. Woo, I love it and I like it so much, this music. You know guys, if I have no word, I'm always listening song of AJ Maisnam because I love it. I like the voice of AJ Maisnam. His voice is very awesome, guys. It's so awesome for me. And you know, this music that he performed today, just like a music, and this is the right and exact music you want to listen if you are going to beach, if you're going to a picnic. Wow, if you're going to a field trip, this is the best music that I recommend to all of you guys. Oh my goodness. Congratulations again. I hope you enjoy this kind of music, guys. And if you like it, this music, don't forget to like and share to your families and friends. Give this also a lot of thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction video. So until the next reaction video, see you there. I love you and God bless you all. Bye!